Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering both devices, plug the controller and DJI-2 into chargers, and watch for green LEDs. Once charged, install propellers and insert a micro SD card. These are required for flight logs and video. Open the DJI Fly app and sign in, because activation and firmware checks happen there. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone so the controller links quickly. After the app recognizes hardware, proceed directly to firmware and compass calibration to avoid in-flight issues. You now link the controller to the aircraft via the app's pairing flow. Follow on-screen prompts to confirm serial numbers and connection strength so telemetry is reliable. Once linked, update firmware for drone, controller, and batteries. This prevents compatibility faults. Calibrate the compass and IMU outdoors away from cars or steel structures because magnetic interference skews sensors. Configure return to home altitude and basic flight modes, and adjust stick sensitivity so your inputs match expected responses during the first hover and takeoff. You begin with a conservative first flight. Choose an open field, disable beginner mode only when confident, and lift to 2 to 3 meters for a stable hover check. Observe yaw, altitude hold, and gimbal stabilization while slowly moving forward, back, and sideways so you see control response. Once satisfied, extend range in small increments and monitor signal strength. If the controller or video feed drops, land immediately and then rebind the controller. Restart phone, controller, and drone, and verify antenna.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.